This is my whole Cartier collection. I'm gonna unboxing today the Juste and Clou ring, and also talking about wear and tear all my Cartier jewelry. And hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you. Hi, my name is Jenny. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And again, today is Sunday. As my regular routine, I do the video every Sunday on my day off. And I hope everyone had a wonderful Sunday. Enjoy the Sunday, with the family and friends. And happy Sunday. Today I will do another video of my Cartier unboxing today, and not much, a little bit something that unboxing, and then I will talk about all my Cartier jewelry collection, what I love and what I don't, and what is the first purchase from Cartier in my opinion. And let's start it. So today, first thing I'll talk about my purchase today. I went to the boutique in New Jersey in the mall. My appointment was last month. It took about a month to able to get my appointment. So first thing is that brought about unboxing, this Cartier, and this one is I think is the kit that for you clean and my jewelry, and this one, is this one. Today I purchased this. Oh, you already opened it. I don't know the guy. He didn't wrap my ring because he said I purchased in the store. So he asked me to wrap it or not. I just say it's okay. I'm unboxing anyway when I get home. So this one, what I got. So you see, everything looks really good. Yes, this is my Juste and Clou ring, and actually my ring usually I wear size 48 or 48 and a half, just because this Juste and Clou ring a little bit bigger than the love ring, so he recommend me purchase size 47. That means size 4 in US. Yes, I'm gonna try on to see. As you see, there's a ring right here. So I use my phone to record a video, so cut a little bit. And hopefully this is gonna be focused. So see, this is how beautiful it is. This one is size 47. So my finger really skinny, and I want something very small. I tried the bigger size, but it's not really look good on my finger, because my finger very skinny and long. So the smaller size look perfect, and my surgeon told me that the requirement increase next week. So right now with the tax about $1,190, but next week gonna be increased the price, so maybe almost $1,300 next week. That's what he told me. If you really want to purchase, just go ahead. I really love it. Wanna try this over the love ring, and I really like to wear this along for some reason. It's this one is very small and very delicate look, so you tag both it in all the love ring also look good. This is really, really nice. And the second one I want to talk about, that's my shirt and Clou, and this is how I look to hold it in my hand. And the second thing I want to talk about, that's my, and this one, the Juste and Clou bracelet. Actually it's the new version of original Juste and Clou, and this one is size 15. You know, like my hand very small, so I wear size 15, the smallest size. And this one is flexible gold, so you can bend like this, so you don't have, you know, the other Juste and Clou, the original one, I heard they had some problem that when you know, open and close many times, or sometimes you know, incident you hit the bracelet on, you know, on something, and they easy to break it out, and then when you break it, it's hard to put it back, and you have to make appointment, come to the boutique to get it fit. So that's why this one is more everyday wear, because I realize that easy to take in and out my bracelet, you know, like the bracelet very flexible gold, so I just slide like this, you know, I can wear like this. So this one, you see how they're matching with my Juste and Clou ring I just purchased today. It's just a beautiful big piece, and to me, for my opinion, I really love the smallest version of the Juste and Clou ring, a smaller version of Juste and Clou bracelet, because you tackable with the other jewelry, and you know, they're flexible gold, so you don't have to worry that you're gonna mess it up the screw when you know, open and close every day, because I don't wear jewelry when I'm home. So this one is the best choice for me to tag able with my watch and the other jewelry. This is how I look at this. And another thing I really love is the love ring, you know. This one is the white gold. I purchased this one about years ago, I remember. And the only thing I don't like about the white gold, you know, when you wear for a little time and they easy scratch, and sometimes they turn like they're not really shiny anymore, like the rice, you know, when you first got it. So I'm really not too crazy about the white gold anyway. And but with this one is small size of love ring also, but this one is the yellow gold. So with the yellow gold, the shiny lasts longer. Even wear and tear, you have lots of scratches, but it still looks shiny more than the white gold. And if I have to pick which one I prefer the most, I will pick the yellow gold over the white gold, because for some reason, the more you wear, the gold still looks very shiny compared to the white gold. So also my ring size 48.5. So when I wear, I usually wear my index finger like this, and this one attackable. So look, see how it look. It's very beautiful, right? So I like the smaller version because it's look good on my hand more than the original version, because my finger very skinny and long, you know. So this one is perfect for me to tack in two rings together, or I can wear it alone. But sometimes I do wear it alone like this, so I wear like this also look good. But I do like to tag my white gold ring over this, so I think it made this the ring look more notable, and it's much nicer, you know. You see how it look like this. And also when I tag my Juste and Clou ring with this one, I would love to wear this side over this, you know. For me, for some reason, I feel it look very, I don't know, I really like it the way they look like that, And those are perfectly fine to look like that too. I really like it, but I do like to wear the Juste including along with my index finger than that. But I really like wear the Juste including my index finger along with my Juste Clou bracelet like that with my watch, because to me it's just, I don't know, it doesn't look too flashy, and it's still casual, not too flashy, for everyday wear. And the last thing I'm talking about, my love bracelets. This one my first purchase when I start purchased my first Cartier jewelry. So the first joy I will recommend is the love bracelets. I don't know, when I got this one, I'm not really crazy about that. I just want to purchase one because I feel like everyone have it, so I want it. But after I read the story behind the jewelry, I really love it. So when my husband purchased it and put it in my hand at the store, and I feel like, we tied the love forever. And my husband will say, okay, this one, if my love gave it to you, so you have to keep it forever. So I've been wearing this bracelet since the day of my purchase until now, like over maybe 2 years now. I never remove it, and once a while I will have to use they have the screw. I do recommend like you have to check the screw at least every week to make sure that this one sometimes it loose, so that when they turn you're unable to notice that they turn. So you have to check it. Sometimes you your hand to hold like this to see if you hear the click very slightly, that means the screw is loose. So you need to screw it back, because if you won't pay attention and when the screw loose all the way out, you might lose your bracelet. So really be careful with that, because one time I realized like my bracelet almost opened it because the screw on this side very loose. I didn't really check for about a month. So I recommend you go check it every week at least, or you have to use the hand to hold it like this. If you hear the sound clicking, that means the time to screw back, the screw, so you won't lose your bracelet eventually. This one, for some reason, I don't left this one in my box, so I sent my box away, with my certificate. And this one I will keep with me sometime when I'm travel, or I left this on my jewelry box, on top of the jewelry box. So every day I will just see it and I just go check it, just check a little bit over here. Every week at least. Sometimes I feel like I will check maybe once a day when I get home, because this one I heard like people who in school and take it out every day, or sometimes you take it out, put it back, so that means the screw will be loose, and then when they lose it, so when you tie it, it doesn't really secure tight, so you might lose your Cartier when you don't pay attention, or you have to go back to the store and they will fit the screw for you. So that's very inconvenient. That's why I heard a lot negative about the love bracelet, but to me I love it so much. And I usually wear this one with my love ring the most, almost every day, and sometimes I wear this one again with this. So when I wear this one with this, I usually wear like this side. You can wear like this. Like, see how it look? Yeah, it's just beautiful, jewelry. And I do recommend when you first purchase, if you really not ready to spend much more than $few $1,000s on bracelets, I would like to recommend to buy the first Cartier purchase is, and sometimes I will open this so I can wear open like this also when I really tackable the including with the love bracelets. So I went like that, see. Oh, you can move it like this. But I really love the way they tack together, and because they're really small, so it doesn't look too flashy when you wear it together. And sometimes I really love wear this with my watch too. So I think like when I wear my watch, it should make the jewelry more stand out. I really like it. That I have. And then this one is my certification of my green purchase today, and I used to keep all of this in the box, the same place where I stored all the certified of my Cartier jewelry. I put it away separate with the box because I don't want to put everything together in case something happen. And this one is the cleaning kit for your jewelry. So usually I keep this over my jewelry box, so I'm able to clean my jewelry at least like once a week. Usually I spray this one on the little cloth and I start cleaning, and this stays shiny a little bit for a couple of days, and then when you wear even touching some scratch, so is that normal? And I don't know for the reason this one scratch more easy more than the Juste Clou. So this one noticeable scratch, like very easy to see it. But this one, even this one I have about a year already, but it still look very, very shiny and new. You won't able to really noticeable the scratch on the Juste Clou bracelet than the love bracelet. And that's it. That's all I have for today. That's all I have for today. That my purchase for today, and this one. And you know what? If you're really ready to purchase Juste Clou or whatever anything from Cartier, you should go ahead and purchase in this week, because next week, I think about October 1st, they will increase the price, maybe 10% up to 20%. So depend on the I think different stuff. They might different percentage gonna be increased. So I know it's a couple of things, but they already increased, like the diamond ring also increased, but the regular gold gonna be increased for next week. So go ahead, and I'm telling you, I never regret to buy all the Cartier jewelry. I love it so much. The more I wear them, the more I'm really want to purchase more and more. But to me, I'm not gonna spend so much money on jewelry, that diamond stuff, because I don't know when I'm wearing it, this is good enough for me. Then more than I love diamond too, but don't get me wrong, but kind of expensive for me. And then when I like to wear my jewelry every day, go to work and go out, stuff like that. So diamond sometimes too dresses too flashy, and I don't want people really noticeable that what I have on my hand and stuff like that. So I like something without diamond. If one day I have money, I will purchase the diamond one when special event I will wear them. But right now, I really love my jewelry from Cartier, and love it so much. And that's it for today, and thank you for watching my channel. And I know if my video hopefully getting better and better now, after few video, and I get more subscriber. And next video I will talk about my giveaway. If I hit to 1,000 subscriber, I promise for the last few video, but because I've been so busy. Next video I will talk more about that for my giveaway for up to 1,000 subscriber. And thank you very much watching my channel, and again, I appreciate everyone who visits my channel, subscribe, like and share, and all comment I will personally reply each comment, and I appreciate. And again, one more time, I'm really feel grateful and more confident when I know I have more people subscriber and visit my channel. And I'm sure my video maybe one day will better and better. Now I'm trying my best I can, because I have busy schedule, so I'm trying to do everything, and one day on Sunday go shopping, go unboxing, do the video. Even I know I'm not really good in everything, but I'm trying my best to do, and I'm really thankful that you guys come visit my channel, give me the comment below, and give me advice, so I feel more confident, more happy to sharing what I'm doing, shopping, all my stuff, my opinion, my thought, my love to you. And thank you again for watching my channel, and I hope everyone have a wonderful weekend and enjoy your Sunday night as usual. Relax, you can rest and get ready for tomorrow, Monday, new week again, and I will see you again next week Sunday. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do in next video, but the one thing I will do in the next video that about my giveaway, if I hit to 1,000 subscribers. And thank you for watching my video again, and love you guys. A lot of love from me to you. Love. Thank you. Bye bye.